Hello everyone, myself Surabhi Vishwakarma, student of BSc 5th SEM of Dr. Hari Singh Gaur Vishwavidyalaya. I am going to present my mid-2 assignment on topic BCR signaling under Dr. Deepali Jat ma'am. What are B cells? B cells, also known as B lymphocytes, are a type of white blood cell of the lymphocyte subtype. B cells differentiate from the hematopoietic stem cell (HSC) in the bone marrow. Approximately 10 to 20 million B cells are estimated to be produced each day in the mouse bone marrow. However, only about 10% of these B lymphocytes or B cells leave the bone marrow and enter into circulation. They function in the humoral immunity component of the adaptive immune system by secreting antibodies. Additionally, B cells present antigens. They are also classified as professional antigen presenting cells (APCs) and secrete cytokines. In mammals, B cells mature in the bone marrow, which is at the core of most bones. In B lymphocytes, B stands for Bursa fabriceus, a lymphoid organ where they were first discovered, and not for bone marrow as commonly believed. B cells activation. B cells bind to antigen and become plasmablast and then plasma cells. B cells activation is of two types, T cell dependent and second one is T cell independent. In T cell dependent, B cell bind to an antigen, receive help from a cognate helper T cell and differentiate into a plasma cell that secretes large amounts of antibodies. Activation of B cells without the cooperation of helper T cells is referred to as T cell independent activation and occurs when B cell receptors interact with T independent antigens. Example of T independent antigens are polysaccharide capsules, lipopolysaccharide etc. Plasma cells that are located in the spleen or lymph node are short-term plasma cells which only produce antibody for a limited period of time. Plasma cells that migrate to the bone marrow are long-lived plasma cells and can persist for extended periods of time, perhaps decades, and secrete antibodies into the bloodstream. B cell types. Number 1. Plasmablast, a short-lived proliferating antibody secreting cell arising from B cell differentiation. Plasmablasts are generated early in an infection and their antibodies tend to have a weaker affinity towards their target antigen compared to plasma cell. Number 2. Plasma cell, a long-lived non-proliferating antibody secreting cell arising from B cell differentiation. There is evidence that B cells first differentiate into a plasmablast-like cell, then differentiate into a plasma cell. Plasma cells are generated later in an infection and compared to plasmablasts have antibodies with a higher affinity towards their target antigen due to affinity maturation in the germinal center GC and produce antibodies. Number 3. Lymphoplasmacytoid cell, a cell with a mixture of B lymphocyte and plasma cell morphological features that is thought to be closely related to or a subtype of plasma cells. Number 4. Memory B cell, dormant B cell arising from B cell differentiation. Their function is to circulate through the blood and initiate a stronger, more rapid antibody response known as the anamnestic secondary antibody response. If they detect the antigen that had activated their parent B cell, memory B cells and their parent B cells share the same BCR, thus they detect the same antigen. Number 5. B2 cell, FO B cells, follicular B cell and MZ B cells, marginal zone B cell. Follicular B cells are most common type of B cell and when not circulating through the blood, is found mainly in the lymphoid follicles of secondary lymphoid organs. Marginal zone B cells found mainly in the marginal zone of the spleen and serves as a first line of defense against blood-borne pathogens, as the marginal zone receives large amounts of blood from the general circulation. Number 6. B1 cells arises from a developmental pathway different from follicular B cells and marginal zone B cells. In mice, they predominantly populate the peritoneal cavity and pleural cavity, generate natural antibodies produced without infection, defense against mucosal pathogens, and primarily exhibit T cell independent activation. Number 7. Regulatory B cell, an immunosuppressive B cell type that stops the expansion of pathogenic pro-inflammatory lymphocytes through the secretion of IL-10, IL-35 and TGF-beta. Also, it promotes the generation of regulatory T cells by directly interacting with T cells to skip their differentiation towards Tregs. Signal transduction. No cell can live in isolation, must interact with environment. In multicellular organism, cells must communicate with each other. Growth involves intricate signaling. Same with differentiation, even metabolism requires signaling. Any process occurring within cells that convert one kind of signal or stimulus into another type is called signal transduction. It also known as cell signaling, in which the transmission of molecular signals from a cell's exterior to its interior. Signal received by cells must be transmitted effectively into the cell to ensure an appropriate response. This step is initiated by cell surface receptors, which triggers a biochemical chain of events inside the cell, creating a response. General principles of signal transduction. Communication usually involves a signaling molecule, a receptor, intracellular signal transducers, and targets. Signaling molecules binds to the receptor present on cell surface. It follows cascade of reactions which involves GTP binding proteins, protein kinases, protein phosphatases, and further at the end they alter the target protein for which the message was conveyed. Target protein further split into three: CP cytoskeletal protein, GRP gene regulatory protein, ME metabolic enzyme. When CP altered, it changes the shape and size of the cell. When GRP altered, it changes gene expression. When the metabolic enzyme is altered, there is change in the metabolism of target cell. Signaling molecules and adapter molecules. Signaling molecules, which are released by signal producing cells, reach and transfer biological signals to their target cells to initiate specific cellular responses. Adapter molecules. Adapter molecules are involved in modulating signal transduction. Adapter molecules are commonly defined as proteins that possess protein or protein lipid interaction domains but do not have enzymatic activity. Example: SRC homology 2, SH2, SH3 or plaquestrin homology pH domains. Many enzymes can be considered to function as adapter proteins because they additionally contain protein or lipid binding molecules. Example: the SRC family protein tyrosine kinase PTK lin has one SH2 domain and one SH3 domain as well as an enzymatic domain. What is B cell receptor? B cell receptor play an important role in B cell signaling. BCR consists of an antigen binding transmembrane immunoglobulin MIG in complex with two transmembrane polypeptides, namely Ig alpha and Ig beta, containing immunoreceptor tyrosine activation motifs, which enable the transmission of intracellular signaling. B cell receptors allow the B cell to bind to a specific antigen against which it will initiate an antibody response. BCR signaling overview. B cell antigen receptor BCR is a multi-protein complex expressed on the surface of B cells which consists of a ligand binding moiety, the antigen binding transmembrane immunoglobulin MIG paired with the signal transduction moiety. Ig alpha, Ig beta heterodimers CD79A, CD79B. The BCR signaling pathway is crucial for proper B cell development, activation, proliferation, differentiation, and consequently for humoral immune response. Signaling via the B cell receptor is essential for B cell survival and development and antibody production in both physiological and pathological conditions. The nature of BCR signaling is varied in different subpopulations and developmental stages of B cells and can be classified into tonic, chronic active, and priming signaling, whereas tonic BCR signaling is required for B cell survival and development. Chronic active BCR signaling supports the continuous proliferation of B cell lymphoma cells, and antigen driven priming signaling is important for the initiation of B cell activation and differentiation into antibody secreting cells. BCR signaling cascade. Engagement of the BCR by antigen induces membrane movement and aggregation of BCR components that lead to phosphorylation of ITAMs in the cytoplasmic tails of CD79A and CD79B. In the latter is accomplished by the SRC family kinase LIN. The phosphorylated ITAMs recruit the spleen tyrosine kinase SYK to the receptor where it becomes activated by phosphorylation of tyrosines and propagate the signal activation to downstream signaling proteins. Activation of SYK play a critical role in BCR signaling, initiating the formation of the BCR signalosome. The adaptor proteins such as CD19 and B cell linker, BLINK, and Bruton's tyrosine kinase, and signaling enzymes such as phospholipase, C gamma 2 phosphoinositide 3 kinases, and VAV signals emanating from those signalosomes initiate and regulate downstream signaling systems, including RAS, RAF, MEK, ERK pathway, which are significant for B cell fate decisions such as proliferation, survival, differentiation, and cell death. Thank you.